staying in Mallorca, in a finca. I've been a thinker in a finca. Excuse me, can you hear the birds? The sounds here at night are insane. I'm going to turn you around. I can't turn you around. There's a lot of night action. Oh my God. Shall we go and explore? I wish I could turn this around. Why can't I? I'm so poorly technical. You can't see me now. Great. The sound of the plane has completely drowned out the bird sounds. Oh, damn. Well, thanks for sticking with the video. Shall I show you around quickly? Whoa. There's a lot of crazy plants. They don't look real. Oh, Jesus. They're really hard. It has got a real kind of spooky feel to it. Ooh, looks interesting. Do you want to see a really good look? Socks and sandals. It's actually quite chilly here this time of year, especially in the evenings. This plant seems to be growing on the ground. What's going on? Oh dear. Oh, that's really sad. Oh my God. Oh dear. Oh, you sad creature. I don't know if that's me or the plant. Well, the reason why I started this video is because of the bird sounds. There you go. I mean, it's 1 in the morning. Do you know what I mean? quite rude of them to be making quite so much noise. Should we just quickly go around here? Oh, there's something else hilarious I can show you. This is lovely, beautiful, by the way, during the day. There's a pool there. There is actually a swimming pool. Oh God. I mean, this... Let me get some light. I can't even put a torch on. Sorry, I just tried to put the torch on. I was going to say it's just so dark here. And then I was like, oh, remember that there is a light just around here because there's a barbecue area. I'll just put the light on. Oh my God! Oh my God! Jesus Christ! Oh my God, it's so freaky! It's like the end of the world. Jesus Christ. Oh my God almighty. I apologise for blaspheming. Oh my God. Wow, this is weird. Whoop, whoop. That's weird. Oh my God. Better turn it off. I'll start having an epileptic fit. Well, let's go back to where we started. It's real glass. Glass? Grass. Sounds plastic. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been quite mad, but may have been slightly entertaining for you. Basically, the reason why I made this video was because there was one bird, and I think it must have been an owl. And it was, so as I said, we're in Palma de Mallorca, or Majorca. And the bird was going, whoop, whoop, whoop. It's all go here, I'll tell you. Okay. Anyway, it's so annoying when you want. I've been listening to it literally for ages since I started to press record. Can you hear it? Oh, it's actually might be a cat. That's a cat. It is a cat. Sounding as though it's in a bit of distress. Oh, jeez. Let's see. Gato! Gato! as it leaps over the fence and scares them. No. See, what you can't actually see is all this. That is literally fields. I mean, it's terrifying. It's pitch black. And the same over that side. So if a cat would just appear all of a sudden over the fence, there's the pole. And they'll probably frighten the bejesus out of me. Anyway, thank you again if you've stuck to the end of this video. Might make another one. See if anyone watches. Hope you're all well. See you later.